Imagine this. You're battling a headache, struggling with bloating, or fighting off a nasty cold, and instead of reaching for a pill, you find the solution in your kitchen. Sounds incredible, right? Today, I'm going to reveal 10 natural home remedies that are not only powerful, but also completely safe and easy to make. These remedies have stood the test of time and science, and by the end of this video, you'll wonder why you didn't start using them sooner. Let's get started. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the natural remedies that have been a part of our lives for centuries. We turn to quick fixes and over-the-counter medicines, often ignoring the fact that nature has already provided us with incredible solutions for everyday problems. From boosting your immunity to relieving stress, these remedies are all natural, cost-effective, and free from harmful side effects. In this video, I'll share 10 must-try home remedies for common issues like headaches, skin irritations, digestion problems, and more. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's unlock the power of nature together. Let's begin with the golden spice of India, turmeric. For centuries, turmeric has been hailed as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. The secret lies in curcumin, a compound with potent healing properties. If you're dealing with joint pain, sore muscles, or even a simple cold, turmeric can be your savior. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder into a glass of warm milk, add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a drizzle of honey for taste. This soothing golden drink not only reduces inflammation, but also strengthens your immune system, making it a remedy you can't afford to skip. Next up is honey, often called liquid gold for its healing properties. Whether it's a scratchy throat or a persistent cough, honey has been a trusted remedy for ages. It's packed with antimicrobial and soothing properties that work almost instantly. To prepare the remedy, take 1 tablespoon of raw honey and mix it into a glass of warm water or herbal tea. For an added punch, squeeze in a few drops of fresh lemon juice to boost vitamin C levels and fight off infections. The best part? It's delicious and effective at the same time. Ginger is your ultimate digestive aid. If you've ever felt nauseous, bloated, or suffered from indigestion, you know how uncomfortable it can be. But ginger, packed with gingerol, is here to help. Boil a few slices of fresh ginger in water to make a soothing tea, or chew on a small piece of raw ginger before meals to enhance digestion. Ginger not only calms your stomach, but also reduces inflammation in your gut, making it an all-rounder remedy. Aloe vera, also known as the plant of immortality, is a miracle worker for your skin. Whether you're dealing with minor burns, rashes, or dry skin, aloe vera provides instant relief. Simply cut open an aloe vera leaf, extract the gel, and apply it directly to the affected area. Its cooling properties reduce redness, itching, and irritation while speeding up the healing process. Plus, it's packed with vitamins that nourish your skin, leaving it soft and hydrated. If you've ever suffered from a headache that just won't quit, peppermint is the remedy you need. Its menthol content relaxes your muscles and soothes your nerves, providing quick relief. Here's how you can use it. Massage a few drops of peppermint oil onto your temples and the back of your neck. The cooling sensation will ease tension and reduce pain. And if you prefer, brew a cup of peppermint tea for a calming effect that works from the inside out. Feeling sluggish or low on energy? A glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning can do wonders for your body. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that flush out toxins, hydrate your body, and boost your metabolism. To prepare, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. This simple habit not only improves digestion, but also enhances your skin's natural glow over time. Heartburn or acid reflux can be incredibly uncomfortable. But apple cider vinegar is a surprising yet effective remedy. It helps balance your stomach's pH and improves digestion. Dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before meals. Make sure to use organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar for maximum benefits. It may taste strong, but the results are worth it. Cinnamon is more than just a spice for your desserts. It's a natural regulator of blood sugar levels. Its active compounds improve insulin sensitivity and lower glucose levels, making it an excellent remedy for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. Sprinkle a teaspoon of cinnamon on your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or coffee for a flavorful and healthful start to your day. Want to boost your immunity naturally? Garlic is your go-to remedy. Packed with allicin, a compound with powerful antimicrobial properties, garlic helps your body fight off colds, flu, and infections. Crush a clove of raw garlic and eat it with a teaspoon of honey to make it more palatable. This combination not only strengthens your immune system, but also adds a natural antibacterial boost. Finally, let's talk about sleep. If you're struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep, chamomile tea is your perfect nighttime companion. Its natural calming properties relax your nerves and reduce anxiety. Brew a cup of chamomile tea about 30 minutes before bedtime and let its soothing effects guide you into a deep, restful slumber. So, there you have it, 10 natural remedies that can make a huge difference in your everyday life. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who could use these tips, and subscribe for more natural health hacks. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you next time.